ice cream. I'm gonna go look by the fence.
W's gonna sit and digest.
Oh! I found one.
What?
I found one, but I can't reach
Here you go, Len.
Did you?
Can't reach it.
What? Well, you're gonna have to fly.
Daddy, can you help her?
Fly.
Oh, look right there.
Where is it?
Right there.
On the pool skimmer?
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3.
Got it. Oh, look, there's another one.
Another one. Oh, two. Green ones. Right here. What do you think? I got some of these around here.
Well, I got her head.
You've got a good eye for these things.
I think I found something. Oh! Oh, we're there.
Oh.
Oh! We're in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Up there. In that red one.
Oh, that's a real egg. No, it's not.
Don't take any wooden nickels. Eggs.
Look how many Easter eggs I found.
Wow, you're doing pretty good.
Oh my
Hey,
gosh.
Gloria, you didn't take a very good look over here, did you?
Uh-oh.
Why? I look. What's wrong?
What?
Oh! Oh! Ow!
What?
Well, get him.
Oh, that's
One pink egg here. One purple egg here. And then one.
No, I didn't put any in the pool.
Thanks, Dad.
Thinking next week it might be time to do the drain.
Let's look. Ow!
Oh!
Right here.
That's a big one.
One on the swing. Ow! Two on the tree. I found another one.
Okay, now you can tell how much taller she is because
I found another one, guys.
couldn't catch the one on that in that top
Yep.
section.
Good job.
Look at that.
Wait, I see something.
Okay,
Over
go
there.
get it.
Oh.
Take no prisoners.
Ow! Guys! Another egg!
Well, all right. Oh, I think you missed one.
Uh-oh.
Where?
Did you miss one?
It kind of blends in. Let's see. Look along the wall.
Ow!
Oh.
Where?
Keep looking around.
Got a whole yard here to look
Where?
Rex,
Oh!
he's eating.
at. Oh. No, Rex, you're going to get sick. Stop eating the grass.
Very good.
All right, very good.